Hey everyone, Chris Fix here. Today, we're going to change the engine oil in a 2025 Toyota Camry. Changing your oil is super important to keep your engine happy. Fresh oil makes sure everything runs smooth and lasts a long time. You don't need to be a mechanic to do this. We'll go step by step, and I'll give you all the tips you need. Changing your own oil saves you money and gives you that awesome feeling of doing it yourself. Let's get started. Before we get our hands dirty, let's gather our tools. This is a crucial step that sets the foundation for a smooth and efficient car maintenance process. Think of it as preparing for a big adventure. You wouldn't want to embark on a journey without the right gear, would you? The same principle applies here. Having all your tools ready and within reach will save you time and prevent unnecessary frustration. Plus, it makes the whole experience more enjoyable and less stressful. It's like getting ready for a fun project. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing you have everything you need to tackle the task at hand. It's a great feeling, right? So, let's dive into the list of tools you'll need for this oil change. Each tool has a specific purpose and will make the job easier and more efficient. Here's what we need. 1. New oil. Check your owner's manual for the right type and amount. The owner's manual is like your car's personal guidebook, providing essential information about the type of oil that works best for your engine. Using the correct oil ensures optimal performance and longevity of your vehicle. Don't just grab any oil off the shelf. Make sure it matches the specifications mentioned in the manual. This small step can make a big difference in how your car runs. 2. New oil filter. Again, your owner's manual is your friend. The oil filter plays a crucial role in keeping your engine clean by trapping contaminants. Over time, the filter gets clogged and needs to be replaced to maintain the efficiency of your engine. Always refer to your manual to find the right filter for your car. Using the wrong filter can lead to poor engine performance and even damage. 3. Wrench. To loosen the drain plug. A good quality wrench is essential for this task. It provides the leverage needed to loosen the drain plug without damaging it. Make sure you have the right size wrench for your car's drain plug. Using the wrong size can strip the plug and create more problems. A socket wrench set with various sizes can be very handy. 4. Oil filter wrench, for removing that old filter. This tool is specifically designed to grip and turn the oil filter, making it easier to remove. Oil filters can be quite stubborn, especially if they've been on the car for a long time. An oil filter wrench provides the extra grip and torque needed to get the job done without much hassle. 5. Jack and jack stands. Safety first. We need to lift the car. Safety is paramount when working under your vehicle. A sturdy jack and reliable jack stands are essential to keep the car securely lifted while you work. Never rely solely on the jack. Always use jack stands to support the car's weight. This ensures that the car remains stable and prevents accidents. Remember, your safety is the top priority. 6. Drain pan, to catch the old oil. 7. Gloves, protect those hands. A drain pan is crucial for collecting the old oil as it drains from the engine. It helps keep your workspace clean and makes disposal easier. Wearing gloves is also important to protect your hands from hot oil and sharp edges. Plus, it keeps your hands clean and free from oil stains. 8. Funnel, for pouring in the new oil. A funnel ensures that the new oil goes into the engine without spilling. It's a simple tool, but it makes a big difference in keeping things tidy. Spilled oil can be messy and difficult to clean up, so using a funnel helps prevent that. 9. Rags, for cleaning up any spills. Rags are handy for wiping up any oil that spills during the process. They help keep your workspace clean and prevent oil from getting on other parts of the car or the ground. Having a few rags on hand is always a good idea. Got everything? Awesome. Let's move on to the fun part. With all your tools gathered and ready, you're now set to start the oil change. This preparation ensures that the process will be smooth and efficient. So, let's get started and make this a successful and enjoyable experience. Okay, let's prepare our Camry for its oil change. First, park the car on a flat surface. Engage the parking brake. Safety is key. Now pop the hood and find the oil filler cap. Unscrew it and set it aside. This helps the old oil drain out faster later. Next, grab your jack and jack stands. Consult your owner's manual for the correct jacking points. We want to lift the car safely and securely. With the car lifted, it's time to find the oil drain plug and filter. Put on your gloves. The oil drain plug is located on the underside of the engine. It's usually a large bolt. The oil filter is usually cylindrical and near the engine. Don't confuse the drain plug with anything else. Your owner's manual will show you exactly what to look for. Section 5. Let the old oil out. Now slide your drain pan under the oil drain plug. We're about to drain the old oil. Use your wrench to loosen the drain plug. Remember lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Turn it counterclockwise. Once it's loose, you can unscrew it by hand. Be careful. The oil will be hot. Let it drain completely into the pan. This is a good time to grab a snack and check your phone. Section 6. New filter time. In this section, we will walk you through the process of changing your car's oil filter. This is a crucial step in maintaining your vehicle's engine health and ensuring it runs smoothly. While the old oil is draining, let's replace the oil filter. This is a good time to get everything ready for the new filter. Make sure you have your new oil filter, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan handy. Place the drain pan under the old filter. This will catch any oil that drips out when you remove the old filter. It's important to avoid any mess and keep your workspace clean. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen the old filter. Sometimes the filter can be on pretty tight, so don't be afraid to use a bit of elbow grease. It might be a bit stubborn. If it's giving you trouble, try using a bit more force or a different angle. Persistence is key here. Once it's loose, unscrew it by hand and let it drain into the pan. Be careful, as the oil might still be hot. Let it drain completely before moving on to the next step. Clean the filter housing with a rag. This ensures that the new filter will have a clean surface to seal against, preventing any leaks. Take your time to wipe away any old oil or debris. Now take your new oil filter and apply a thin coat of new oil to the rubber gasket. This helps the filter seal properly and makes it easier to remove next time. Screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug. Don't over-tighten. Over-tightening can damage the gasket and cause leaks. Just make sure it's secure and tight enough to prevent any oil from leaking out. After installing the new filter, it's a good idea to check the oil level once more. Top off the oil if necessary and make sure everything is in place. This final check ensures that your car is ready to go and that the oil change was successful. Close the hood and give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully changed your car's oil filter. Regular maintenance like this keeps your engine running smoothly and extends the life of your vehicle. Great job! Section 7. Fresh oil, here we come. Alright, the old oil is drained and the new filter is in place. Let's add the fresh oil. Carefully lower the car using the jack. Locate that oil filler cap we opened earlier. Remember? Grab your funnel and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new oil. Your owner's manual will tell you exactly how much your Camry needs. Don't overfill. It's better to add a little less and check the level later. Section 8. Check your work, you got this. Almost done. Let's check our work. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is in perfect order. Taking a few extra minutes now can save you from potential issues down the road. So let's dive in and make sure everything is just right. First, screw the oil filler cap back on tightly. This might seem like a small step, but it's incredibly important. A loose cap can lead to oil leaks, which can cause engine damage over time. Make sure it's snug and secure. Now start the engine and let it run for a minute. This helps the new oil circulate throughout the engine, ensuring that every part is well lubricated. Listen for any unusual sounds and keep an eye on the dashboard lights. Everything should be running smoothly. This circulates the new oil. It's like giving your engine a fresh start. The new oil will help reduce friction, protect against wear, and keep your engine running efficiently. You might even notice your car running a bit smoother. Turn off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle. This allows the oil to drain back into the oil pan, giving you an accurate reading when you check the level. Patience is key here, so take a moment to relax. Now, locate the oil dipstick. It's usually marked with a bright color, making it easy to find. The dipstick is your tool for checking the oil level and ensuring your engine has the right amount of oil. Pull it out, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, and then pull it out again. This process ensures that you get an accurate reading. Wiping it clean removes any oil that might have splashed onto it, giving you a clear view of the current oil level. The oil level should be between the two marks on the dipstick. If it's too low, you might need to add a bit more oil. If it's too high, you might need to drain some out. The goal is to have the oil level right in the middle, ensuring optimal engine performance. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your work and ensured your car is in great shape. Great job. Section 9. You did it! Congratulations! You successfully changed the oil in your 2025 Toyota Camry like a pro. Give yourself a pat on the back. Not only did you save money, but you also gained valuable skills. Remember to dispose of the old oil and filter properly. Check with your local auto parts store for recycling options. Now go out there and enjoy that smooth-running Camry. Remember to subscribe for more awesome car DIY videos.